be honest, medical information can be really hard to understand. So, how can healthcare educators and communicators make complex concepts simple, visual, and easy to remember? That's where medical whiteboard animation comes in, and today, we'll show you the exact process we use to turn dense medical knowledge into clear, patient-friendly learning videos. Everything starts with the script. Before we draw anything, we need to understand the medical concept inside out, whether it's heart failure, infection control, or a surgical procedure. Once we understand the topic, we rewrite it in simple, everyday language that anyone can follow. We keep each video short, ideally 1 to 2 minutes, about 150 to 250 words, and structure it as a story, not a lecture. This way, even serious topics feel relatable and human. Next comes the storyboard, our visual game plan. In medical education, accuracy is everything. Each frame shows how the body functions and what symptoms look like in real life. A detailed storyboard helps us check both clarity and correctness before animation begins. It's where science meets storytelling, and it's one of the most important steps in the process. Step 3. Illustrating in a friendly, professional style. This is where the visuals come to life. Real anatomy can be intimidating or even a little scary for non-medical audiences. So we re-illustrate body parts in a friendly, simplified style, clean lines, soft tones, and just enough detail to stay accurate. The goal? Keep it professional, but also pleasant to look at. Patients stay engaged longer when the visuals feel approachable. The final stage is animation and narration. A clear voiceover guides the viewer, while subtle sound effects and smooth motion make the information easier to follow. We add small touches like a heartbeat, pulse, or facial expressions to show emotion and movement inside the body. This combination of voice, visuals, and motion helps patients truly see what's happening and remember it better. Now, let's talk about cost, because that's the question everyone asks. Compared with other animation styles, whiteboard animation is one of the most budget-friendly ways to create professional medical explainer videos. A fully customized medical whiteboard animation typically ranges from about $600 to $1,000 per minute, depending on the level of detail and motion involved. That includes the concept, illustrations, and animation, everything you need to bring complex science to life without breaking the budget. And that's how medical whiteboard animation transforms complex health education into clear, meaningful visuals. When patients understand, they take better care of themselves, and that's a win for everyone in healthcare. Want to see how medical animation can simplify your own training or patient education? Subscribe and go to our website for more tips and real animation examples.